Well, there's no good way to get a feel for the size of this thing in my little garage because it's hard for me to even get this whole thing in frame without getting something else. Here is the Y-1200 from Further Fabrications. It is the kit build that he supplies. So he gives you the fusion file, the bill of materials, and the directions. And it's built for a 2x4 working area. So I got 2x4. In the edge over here, we've got 2 channels there and over there where you can open them up and put in longer material. But this is the outside frame only. I bought all the aluminum for the inside frame thinking I was going to work on it first, and I bought it from Mitsumi USA, and it shipped yesterday, a day late, and won't be here until the 6th of January. So there was no way I was just going to sit on my thumbs, and when the conduit from Xyltech showed up in 3 days from the time I ordered it. The problem is I ran them out of black, so they had to substitute the long portions in the silver aluminum. Eventually I'll probably get OCD and go back and change all that out for black. But this is it. This is the entire outer cage. I ordered 200 T-nuts and 8mm M5 bolts, and I ran out just before I finished this back spur. You notice the back spur has no top on it, just the bottom. I'm out of nuts, so I got more coming from Amazon tomorrow. Definitely buy, if you're going to do this, buy plenty of those, because man, you can put all kinds of things on here. I think that's what I like about this build, is that it is an erector set, or Legos for adults, if you will, because I can mount anything I want to anywhere on here, or change the configuration around a bit. Those little drop-in spin lock nuts work great. I know the guy from Further Fabrications said they were more expensive, but you pick those things up on Amazon, and in bags of 200, they were only 20 bucks. So that wasn't very expensive at all. I highly recommend them. Anyway, so what you have here is these 2 little extra bars, the 1 meter bars he has you put on the top with the angle mounts. Helps 2 things. The large plate of see-through material I'll put over here that allows me to see the laser but not get the reflection back. Probably colored plexiglass would be about the right answer, since plexiglass is opaque to the laser. You can tell from having to try to cut it. It wouldn't cut if it was transparent. This helps keep the frame also straight. So I actually make sure I have the same gap here that I have over here. And right now, I don't. I must have bumped it. Yeah, see, it's rubbing there now. I bumped it while I was getting my drill out. So I'll have to retorque that. But basically, and this is the hard part, here's the lid. Whoop, gotta lift it in the center. So the lid comes up. I don't have the gas shocks for it yet, but the lid opens up. Gives you a big old access to the inside. When I go to work on the inside, I've got 4 bolts tying it to the table. And I'll just pop those off and take this whole frame off. So I got a plain work surface again. Yeah, it looks like I just over torqued it a bit. I'll have to loosen up one of these 2, so I can get a side look of it here. So yeah, that's basically it. Now I'll go source some aluminum for the panels so I can put some paneling on it. That'll make it nice. Until next time.